na kapuyu yung kapunchay ko. Patu jingkhlad nin daman go go yung na. Ilan yang tuyong sen yung idap tin sim bus nhau kya mo yijing do. Em na pigi pai pa boys na pigi ni man ga kam ga drama mo I ko apuyu advertise in to mo. Perkat bo yala de ye pi hai chaka yung mudol ye nga question ha ye gi nurse ki to gi staff ko chim duty nin gi doctor to duty in charge ya ka imagine the to ka gitu to go puyu yung ki na go be yung ki kaman siyaw kita if the parents or the sister were being treated like that kaman siyaw ki dari chim gi yete benta ki siyaw to ni kat wan ji siyaw yung siyaw to go ru yung go puyu yung na gi khandan yung to yo do kat go ru go do go kre benda kre si yi go sai kon nang yung ka tang yung lại mà vùng làm ăn pro còn cái để em con nhau một cái con bạc tang là độ cắt với độ là cắm cái màn bê gì cắt tang em hi cái bê hi yung hi xem cái con chọn độ ra đi bám cái con tang hi với lại school the pass cái class 5 class 6 lại cắt tang em hi cái bê cái Khlieh yung nó cái con chọn chân chân ra đi tang đây chính lại careless cái này cái doctor cái này cái nurse poi chudo new code kita khondaman konsep kate gejasi kim yo gubam life education temoy hitang perkhat you perlai pala ukre lalai kre belau no vi khom na dido em ko vi ko question kar pari pi per pai pa po ye pi he chata yo I snyap mo jing chut no in snyap mo dan to ko payu ki tu to ko be kin chau blai kam te mo te I we le ni me to a humble request yo ngai minister of health please snow bhat pai bhai kini government hospital especially kini yongi jaka khakon mo bon sin de jia communicate even le once man to ong yo the ones man yo bia snow to I what the depth ye one din de tangwa any ka jingkhlad wa dai ni wo pau pai ba ai yong fight ka government look into this issue take it seriously bo the inquiry to the staff duty in both the doctors and nurses. This is like my strong request to the Minister of Health. Please look into this issue, okay? Because this case can continue like again and again. It could be happen to some other people. It's not my family also. We are standing here so that this case won't continue again. And we request a humble suspension for those who take charge yesterday duty until the inquiry is done. Because our sister were supposed to be alive today. Yesterday morning, she was still so healthy. Minister, this is my message to you. Please, she was so healthy. We didn't expect any change from her. We didn't expect this tragic to be happen. So please, and because of the negligence of this staff, today we lost her. And please take care of the hospital and the staff. The beds here are not proper. Yesterday she was sleeping on the floor. Please look into that issue also. And we request, if it's possible, kindly look into her children. Iconic yung kada man yung sa. O emi giwa yung asem. Emi giwa arbe yung. Imem pong yung igi. Itu man giwa yung igi kon yung igi. Em lang igi tangkat wan em gabor mo. Man na kabay em kon yung igi yung kon hapay choy igi. Party from all. If you could help, please help more. Children welfare, please look into